Hey, cue balls, I need a bit of your time. I, Dr. Ivan Cryptosis, the Billy Mays of horror host, I insist upon telling you about Crypticon 2010, a spectacular event of enormous proportions that you are not going to want to miss. It's taking place November 5th, 6th, and 7th in the Sheraton Bloomington Hotel in lovely Minneapolis, Minnesota. You're going to have a chance for meet and greets, special events. Oh, the stars will all be there. Jeffrey Combs, Bruce Abbott, Kathleen Kinmont, Walter Phelan, and the lovely Dee Wallace will all be there, and hoping that you're there too. I know that if you've been there other years, you are not going to be one to dilly-dally around and miss this chance, the chance of a lifetime to meet these wonderful celebrities. You're also going to want to take some time to visit the many, many vendors and artists who will be in attendance at this year's event. So keep it in mind, write it on your calendar, write it on your hands, and don't wash for a good long time. And be there November 5th, 6th, and 7th, Crypticon 2010.